Hi everyone, welcome to yet another training. So today we are going to discuss how to lose 10 to 40 kilos permanently as a working mom while enjoying all the food you like and never regaining the lost weight. अब इस पे मेरे को अलग से ट्रेनिंग ही बनानी पड़ रही है because understand that for us, for men, transformations are very simple. Just eat less, move more, थोड़ी motivation and हो गया. Right? But then for you, if you're a working mom, it's more of an emotional and hormonal journey. Right, so you need extra precision and care. So exactly क्या काम करता है आपके केस में? This is what we're gonna discuss. So firstly, who this training is for, or this method is for? This is for you if you have tried dieting in the past and even lost weight, but you were never able to sustain it. This is for you if your trust in diets is crushed due to the failed attempts. This is for you if you're struggling with cravings, overeating, binge eating, and it seems almost impossible to stay away from your favorite foods. This is for you if you're stuck in a vicious cycle of dieting, losing weight, and putting it back, and so on. This is for you if you have a desk job and you struggle to find time for yourself. And this is for you if you can't cook separate meals for yourself. I mean, for people uh, who live in nuclear or joint families, and खाना एक साथ बनता है सबका, right? More importantly, who this is not for. This is not for you if you already have a coach and you're seeing good results, right? This is not for you if you've lost all the unwanted kilos and you're now lean and toned up. This is not for you if you can eat boring salads and compromise on taste, because then you have plenty of options in the market. कोई भी dietitian, fitness coach, trainer hire कर सकते हो, right? This is not for you if you don't give a damn about your health markers, sleep, and stress. This is not for you because if you have less than 5 kilos to lose, because then most probably, I mean, in most of the cases, you can do this yourself. This is not for you if you have ample of time and you can do hour-long workouts. ठीक है, I think it's clear ये किसके लिए है, किसके लिए नहीं है. Moving on, right. Changing lives. These are few of the moms that we have transformed recently. Uh, This is okay. Starting here, this is Madhuri. ये वाला केस थोड़ा ज़्यादा messed up था because she works night shift, she has thyroid, PCOS, and irregular menstrual cycles. Menstrual cycles she used to have irregular. Now obviously we are fixed. We have lost around 15 kilos while enjoying everything from eating out to having snacks and alcohol, but just being strategic about it. Right, this is Sindhu. Sindhu has lost more than 20 kilos. Again, PCOS, working, no time, everything else. Vaishali, uh, this is Vaishali. ये दोनों pictures Vaishali की है. Vaishali again has lost around 15 kilos. Uh, Again, very tight schedule, can't give up on favorite foods. In fact, she used to have brownies every day. She told me on our very first consultation, she told me, yeah, I can't give up on brownies. Can you help me? I was like, of course. Right. And she used to have brownies every day. In fact, we have posted her case study on Instagram. You can, go through her testimonial video where she has mentioned everything about this. Right. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. And all of these transformations happened because of this guy. Who is this? This is me, Lagni Rauka. This is me, 123 kilos. राइट एंड अभी आपको लगेगा नहीं बट ये लेफ्ट वाली पिक्चर में आई वाज 16 years old. आई वाज इन माय 11th grade and यूज्ड टू लुक लाइक एन अंकल. दिस इज मी 123 kilos. दिस इज मी 78 kilos. अभी मैं बिफोर आफ्टर दोनों जैसा ही नहीं दिखता हूँ बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई पुट ऑन बियर्ड एंड एक्स्ट्रा मसल्स एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स बिकॉज ये बहुत पुरानी फोटोज हैं. बट देन या even I had tried multiple diets. I would always lose weight, put it on. Right. I started diets when I was 10 in my fifth grade. I was 70 kilos back then. My dad put me on a fruit diet because, of course, उस टाइम पे इतना होता नहीं था. जो भी समझ आता था कर लेते थे. Right. He was like, why not eat fruits for a month, vacations में. I was like, okay. That is when I was introduced to diets for the very first time. I would lose weight, put it on, ठीक है 70 से 60 आया, then 75, फिर एक डेढ़ साल बाद फिर ट्राई करा, 75 से फिर 60 आया, फिर 80 गया, So on and so forth, 11th grade तक 123, and then this is when I transformed permanently for the last time. I lost 45 kilos, 123 to 78, using, of course, the method that I preach now, right? About me, so of course you need to know me. अगर मेरी बात सुननी है, मेरे opinions क्या ही मैटर करेंगे if you don't know me. So, firstly, ventures and brief history. I'm, of course, the founder of Trained by Karthik. Everyone knows. We have transformed 500 plus lives so far. इससे पहले I've done door-to-door sales. I used to sell floor cleaners, right? Right after school, and even in my 12th grade also. Uh, then I had a shoe business. I also had an advertising agency. Now, this one is recent advertising agency for fitness coaches. We used to do marketing for fitness coaches and help them acquire clients. This was last year, but then I quit it because trained by Karthik और advertising agency साइड बाय साइड चलाना मेरे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल था. I felt like focus divert हो रहा है. So I just quit it. Educational background, I was supposed to be a doctor's, but I dropped MBBS. Now this was a hard move because my family is full of doctors. My great grandfather was a doctor. Then my grandfather, two of his brothers, one of his bhabhi, sister-in-law, I mean. Then my uncles and aunts. My dad has a pharmacy. All my cousins. I mean, full of doctors, right? सारी variety हमारे पास. And of course, I was supposed to be a doctor. मेरे को कॉमर्स लेना भी अलाउड नहीं था घर में, हमारे घर में. सो उस टाइम पे एमबीबीएस ड्रॉप करना एंड इट वाज अ हार्ड मूव, बट देन आई डिड व्हाई टू हेल्प पीपल लाइक ओल्ड कार्तिक. सो मैं थोड़ा ऑब्सेस्ड और पागल हो गया था उस टाइम पे. व्हेन आई फाइनली ट्रांसफॉर्म ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि यार क्या ही कर लिया. एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय पेरेंट्स कि यार मैंने क्रैक कर लिया. आपको पता है मैंने क्रैक कर लिया परमानेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे करते हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दे कुडंट पुट देमसेल्व्स इन माय शू बिकॉज उन्होंने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं करी थी, तो उन्हें लगता था इतना भी क्या ही वो कर रहा है. बट आई वॉज लाइक नहीं नहीं, मेरे को अब परमानेंट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आती है. आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज लाइफ. आई वॉज दैट ऑब्सेस्ड. तो मैंने एमबीबीएस छोड़ दी थी. राइट, हाँ थोड़ा सा क्रेजी है ये, बट this is pretty much how my brain functions. Right, these are some of the certifications in fitness that I have done. ENU level 1 and 2. uh, ENU stands for Excel Nutrition Uni. GMFE level 4, this is a government one, government of India one. And ISSA, this is US based. These are the certifications that I've done. Currently I'm pursuing courses in psychology and mindset coaching also. I'm also a mindset coach, by the way. एक हो चुका है. A couple of more I'm doing. Right. Now, coming to the topic, मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी आगे बढ़ा रहा हूँ so that you're not bored. You know how to lose fat, and you're right. I mean, everyone on this planet knows how to lose fat. Just eat less, move more, calorie deficit, workout कर लो, build permanent habits, say no to junk food, right? Motivation, mindset, सबको पता है, right? YouTube भरा हुआ है इन चीजों से, Instagram भरा हुआ है, but then still you're still stuck and you feel helpless. Why? Because your mind doesn't want you to transform. Your brain wants you in comfort mode. Other than that, और भी एक बड़ा reason है, this diet industry is full of bullshit. Sorry for the language, but then most people out there, most of this advice which fitness gurus give, it is not sustainable. Right? What happens is you lose weight, you sustain it for a while, you bounce back. Then you do it again, you bounce back again. So you keep paying them, right? Or at least this is how industry is designed, so that you pay them again and again. They don't want you to permanently transform, right? ऐसे बिजनेस बढ़ता है उनका. इसलिए मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर स्टक. अब जो हायर नहीं भी करते हैं कोचेस, वो भी एटलीस्ट इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब पे उनकी एडवाइस सुनते हैं. यू नो, गो टू अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट डाइट, work out more, but then you're a working mom. That is not sustainable in your case, right? So, introducing you to my 75-25 method, exactly what should be done. There are 4 steps. 75-25 method का नाम कैसा है अभी आगे बताऊंगा. Step 1, understanding you. Whenever we onboard a new client, we understand you, of course, because one size fits all is good for socks, bad for transformations. ठीक है. अगेन, अब आप बोलोगे कि ये 4 स्टेप समझा रहा है, ये भी तो सबके लिए कॉमन ही होंगे. दिस इज जस्ट एन ओवरव्यू. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वेरिएबल्स. ठीक है. दिस इज अ फ्रेमवर्क दैट वी फॉलो. सो, स्टेप 1, We'll analyze firstly where you're at, body composition and stats, of course, your lifestyle in detail, routine, eating habits, workout habits, current activity and workouts and everything else. Your goals and detail, because of course अगर visions ही हमारे aligned नहीं है, right? Goals and detail in the sense we don't promise lose 10 kilos in a month and such unrealistic things, aggressive things. We generally aim for like 3-4 kilos in a month, losing three. Again, that depends from client to client, but then ballpark losing 3 to 4 kilos in a month and sustaining that for the rest of our life while improving health markers is what we aim for. इसलिए हम आपके गोल्स का एनालिसिस करते हैं डिटेल में. अगर आपका विजन अलग है सो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ वर्किंग टुगेदर. डाइटिंग हिस्ट्री एनालाइज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज व्हाट यू हैव डन इन द पास्ट determines your psychology around food at present. And people who have done restrictive diets in the past, उनके लिए generally अब transform करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है because they have a messed up relationship with food. I'll give you an example. Let's say if I tell you don't think about a yellow teddy bear, you're already thinking about it, right? This is called psychological reactance. Your brain doesn't like getting restricted. दिमाग को जो मना करते हो उसे वही करना होता है. Now, let's say you did a restrictive diet. You did it out of willpower, motivation, discipline, whatever you like calling it. But then willpower is not a skill. It's a resource, like a battery. It drains. और जब वो drain हो जाती है, then your brain says, forget, I've been restricted a lot. I want to regain the lost sense of control. Then cravings happen, overeating happens, and you bounce back. Then you diet again, and the cycle repeats itself. Right? So chances are if you've dieted in the past, your relationship with food is messed up. तो वो एनालाइज करना जरूरी है. Psychological barriers that keep you stuck. Most moms feel guilty for prioritizing themselves because no one claps when a mother prioritizes her health. You know, generally क्या होता है, आप अपना सारा टाइम फैमिली को, किड को एंड टू द वर्क यू गिव अवे, एंड द मोर यू डू द मोर दे एक्सपेक्ट. अगर फैमिली के लिए और बच्चों के लिए और काम के लिए ज्यादा करोगे देन दे विल एक्सपेक्ट मोर, right? And you get stuck, and then if you prioritize yourself a bit, you feel guilty. That is one psychological barrier that keeps you stuck. Then कभी कभी क्या होता है, आप ऐसे तो होते हो कि ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. there's one part of you who badly wants this transformation. Then there's another part of you who doesn't even take action, right? तो दिमाग में clashes हो रहे होते हैं कभी कभी. So these are just examples. The psychological barriers we'll analyze so that we can coach you over mindset, right? Understanding your cravings, emotional eating patterns, gut health and digestion, obviously. Potential setbacks, आगे चल के आपको क्या रोक सकता है, रोड ब्लॉक्स क्या हो सकते हैं आपके ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में, राइट? योर ब्लड वर्क एंड हॉर्मोन्स, ऑफ कोर्स. टाइम अवेलेबिलिटी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर रूटीन. अगेन, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम एक वर्कआउट प्लान आपके ऊपर थोप देंगे कि यार ये लो करना ही है, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा इस टाइम पे. डजंट मेक एनी सेंस, राइट? So understanding your time availability is as important as anything else. I mean everything else in this transformation. And then your food preferences, of course, because अगर आपका डाइट प्लान हम आपके प्रेफरेंसेस में से नहीं बना रहे हैं, if we're restricting you, of course you'll have cravings later, you'll bounce back, nothing new. वो तो कर ही रही है पूरी इंडस्ट्री, right? This is step one. Step two, creating a mindset shift. Transformations are almost 70% psychology, nothing else. Because as we discussed earlier, आपको पता है कैसे करना है. You know everything. You know how to lose fat. Eat less, move more. But then you're stuck. Why? Psychology, right? So we'll be getting your mind ready. We'll be building habits bit by bit. We'll allow food. अगर आपको कोई भी ऐसा खाना लगता है कि यार I need to restrict, maybe biscuits, maybe sugar items, maybe desserts, maybe pizza, right? If you restrict them now, later you'll have cravings. Again, same point. So we'll allow them structurally and strategically that you lose fat. So we'll include these foods in your plan only. Obviously in moderation, but then yeah. And understanding that ice creams are not bad. Obviously, अभी तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा, right? It's just about balance, as everyone on internet says. Uh, and 25% of the total calories can come from junk food. यहाँ से आया था मेरे मेथड का नाम 75-25 मेथड दैट वी यूज। 75% कैलोरीज फ्रॉम नॉर्मल होम कुक्ड फूड, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कोई रिस्ट्रिक्टिव खाना हो, जस्ट नॉर्मली व्हाट यू ईट एट होम। 25% we can eat from junk food also, because people are addicted these days to eating outside, and junk and bhujiyas and biscuits and chaats and fancy things, so many fancy things these days. Restricting doesn't make sense, of course. So 25% of calories we can allow from junk food, right? Again, this depends from case to case. 25% is the maximum that can come from processed foods, right? Step three is acceleration phase, because there's no better driver of motivation than results. अब मैं आपको खुद मोटिवेट कर सकता हूँ, आपके आसपास लोग आपको मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, यू कैन हैव पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक, बट देन ऑल ऑफ दिस डजंट वर्क लॉन्ग टर्म। रिजल्ट्स जब तक नहीं दिखेंगे कोई फायदा ही नहीं है, राइट? सो वील मेक श्योर दैट इफ वी गेट स्टार्टेड यू आर गेटिंग क्विक विंस विद इन द फर्स्ट 21 days, वरना मजा ही नहीं आएगा काम करने में, साथ में काम करने में, आई मीन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में, राइट? Making you follow a super sustainable system created for you. This is one of our USPs. कि यार most generic fitness coaches, what they do is they create systems and uh, try to fit your life into their systems. What we do instead is we build systems around your life, so that of course you're able to sustain it. Working on your whole lifestyle, especially sleep, stress disorders, if any. Stress is another major factor. Uh, I think I like to keep this video short. So if we are having a discussion, or if you're having a discussion with the team, we'll make you understand how stress plays an important role, and it's more important than most people think. Okay. And of course, convenience shouldn't be compromised with, because if you believe in spirituality, I believe a lot in modern spirituality. उसका एक law है, law of least resistance, right? As simple as वो कहता है कि यार if anything goes against the flow of your life, that is not for you. Just stop that right away, right? Let's say you hate gym, and if you're doing gym workouts just for the sake of this transformation, it's a bad idea, because वो convenient नहीं है, and कभी ना कभी again as we discussed, willpower drains, आपकी willpower drain हो जाएंगी and you'll quit it. You won't be able to sustain, right? So it doesn't make sense. तो you know शुरू से ही better है कि शुरू से ही वो सब करो ना, and figure out what goes with the flow of your life, what you enjoy doing, and do that. So that is why same rule applies to food. Convenience shouldn't be compromised with. And of course, building a connection. ये typical coach to client relationship नहीं होती कि हम order चलाएं and you just follow the plans and डंडा लेके कोई खड़ा है. Not like that. We are, I mean, semi-professional vibe it is. And we allow autonomy to a bit. We discuss other stuff when you're uh, maybe traveling, eating out, having discussions around all of that, so that we can help you better and everything else, right? Step four is cruise control, which is the sustainability phase. This is where most of us fuck up. एक बार ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गई यहाँ तक, फिर भी लोग कर लेते हैं, बट देन sustainability, right? So step four is the most important phase. यहाँ पे हम करते हैं lifestyle integration, making sure that whatever we have done, we are fitting that into your lifestyle permanently. Also यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट लिखना भूल गया हूँ, रिवाइविंग योर मेटाबॉलिज्म। कभी कभी क्या होता है कि थोड़े टाइम तक व्हेन यू लूज फैट, तो बॉडी का नेचुरल रिस्पॉन्स होता है, कभी थोड़े टाइम के लिए वो मेटाबॉलिज्म ड्रॉप कर देती है, राइट? सो रिवर्स डाइट वी डू, इंक्रीजिंग कैलोरी स्ट्रेटेजिकली, आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा खाना खिलाते हैं बिट बाय बिट, so that you revive your metabolism. That is also what happens. And making sure the results you have achieved are permanent. Typo hai, sorry. Making sure the results you have achieved are permanent. Ending is more important than the start. Why? Because if you fuck up in this phase, understand that you've worked hard, right? Regardless of कितना भी convenient हमने ये आपके लिए कर दिया, थोड़ी बहुत मेहनत तो लगी होगी करने में, right? You have put in efforts, you have lost weight, और अगर यहाँ पे fuck up हो गया, then you'll bounce back, right? So you're literally putting in efforts to end up being in the same situation or even worse कभी कभी, right? Which is what happens with most people who diet. पहले से भी खराब condition में end up हो जाते हैं, because weight तो they have put on. Now their relationship with food is also messed up. Now they're a bit stressed also. Guilt भी आ जाता है. Right? That is why I'm saying the ending is more important than the start. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Leveling up your knowledge. Now this is what happens along the journey. We keep educating you. Right? Lecture नहीं देते हैं इस पे. Of course that gets boring and monotonous. जहाँ जहाँ situation आती है, real life situation में I educate you, me and my team of course, and making you independent, obviously, because no one has a coach for the rest of their lives. And yeah, I think that sums it up. I think I believe मैंने आपको बोर नहीं किया है. I hope मैंने आपको बोर नहीं किया है. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you. Let's kill this.